This is your control panel. This is a Balboa one, but as I say, they do come with Gecko as well, which are actually running the Canadian, which is a much better, more advanced system. Once you've got the tub connected, you must fill the tub with water first, because it can't run without water. It would damage the pump. So the ideal way to do it is to get it filled. You know, when the electrician comes, either do it while the electrician's there, or if you remove the panel yourself, you know, and fill it while the panel's off by yourself. But as long as you're filling it with the panel off and getting the water to the correct level. Once the electrician has wired in, basically you'll turn the isolation switch on, and this will power up automatically. It will go through a priming process, it will clear any air, and then it will start to heat. Basically on each system is the same. You just go in, set your time, and set your temperature up and down. You know, you've got your warm and cool. Very easy to do, and then it will start to actually show you heating. There are videos that we will have sent you on a link to the Gecko website, and that actually shows you how to set the economy mode and different modes. There's holiday mode, if you go on holiday it won't heat, things like that. So it's worthwhile checking the other modes as well, because during the week you could leave it at, say, swimming pool temperature at 30 degrees. That will keep the electricity bills low, and over the weekend it can then click over to your full, say 40, whatever you want to heat it to, and that's the best way to run it, you know, to be most economical.